you like it? So good morning everybody, Merry Christmas. So today I want to show you how I make my shawarma sharp. We're eating shawarma for breakfast this Christmas morning. So here are the ingredients. So I have my chicken mix here. This is chicken, a little bit of garlic and ginger and spice. This is my cut fresh cabbage, my sausage, cucumber, carrots, onions, and green pepper. And this is my mix. Here I have mayonnaise, ketchup, sugar, and a little bit of water. So yeah. This is the shawarma wrap, this is the shawarma bread. So I'm gonna mix it up all together. So we have our shawarma bread. Amir, I hope you've washed your hand, right? So I want you to do this. Put it, spread it all over. Wait, let me add it. Spread it carefully. Good boy. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, it's okay. Just spread it. Good boy. Okay, Amir. Wait, Amir. Oh yeah, hold it. You put it like this, okay? Okay, let me give you more. So you put it. Okay. Gently, baby. Good boy, Amir. That's good. Good, Amir. Put some chicken. Let's add a little bit more. Right, baby? You want to put the sausage? Take carefully. Oh, that's good. Let's put it a little bit to this side. Okay, let's just keep it that way. We're still going to fold it, okay? So that's good, Amir. So we just added onions, carrots. What's the next thing? No. Let's just put a little bit of cucumber. Your dad likes cucumber. Okay, put it. Okay, that's okay. We'll add cream. Just add the cream. Then we'll wrap it. Can you hold the camera for me? Hold it for me. Hey, you've closed the... Okay. After I rolled it down, and I'll just put it on the pan. Don't mind my pan. This pan has been here for ages and it's still useful. So sorry, I just cover it and it's on low heat. And then this is what we have. Here's another one. So I just wrapped it, and here's what we have. This is Amir's own. I'm coming. Yummy. One is for Amir and one is for Ariru. Yummy. Say thank you, mommy. So let's go give Daddy Amir to have a taste. Baby.
And you.
Wait, let me put it on this too. Babe. Do you like it? Is it nice? You're closing your eyes. Ariane wants to taste. Delicious. Why did you remove it from your mouth? Baby, is it nice?
I'm so glad and so grateful that she did. I just know that some of you would want to know.
Alpha. Yana sugar. Excuse me. Thank you. Let me record it. we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, leave a comment in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me go and eat mine. Bye.